Hello, my friend. Let's have a room tour of our in Toyoko Inn in Cebu. Ayan. Kamukha naman ng Bayfront except medyo maliit lang yung space niya. Ayan. Here's our bed. King size ba or queen size din naman siya. We have the lamp. Yun ang ating outside. We have the painting. We have our TV. Yeah. So this is the bathroom. Shower. Meron siyang bathtub. Yan, there's a bathtub. Yan yung ating lamp. The view outside. A beautiful view outside. And may working area tayo. So this is our beautiful room here in Cebu. Meron din pala tayong personal left. Ayan, bolt. Meron din coffee station. There's the coffee station. Coffee station siya. Okay, hangers lang yung meron. Wala siyang cabin. Pero beautiful na rin yung room natin. Convenient. Malamig ang aircon. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.